Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix missing app names in home screen on a Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. As you can see, currently I don't have any app names on my home screen. I only have them in my app drawer. So for example, I have no idea that this is indeed a calculator. And in order to fix that, all we have to do is go into settings, scroll down a little bit, go into home screen, and here almost the very first option, app labels. We simply want to enable those, and if we go back, we can see that our names are back. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.